welcome back. It's Jelisa and I'm back with another video. So of course this is a hair video and I'm reviewing some hair for a company called Youngster. They are a Amazon seller, so once again you can get this hair in 2 days because it is Prime. So this is their spring twist crochet braid hair. So basically just spring twist hair. I got it in the color 1B. It came with 6 bundles of hair. Looks like this right here. 6 bundles of hair, so it was plenty enough hair for me. The bundles aren't so thick, but it was still enough hair for me. So this how the spring twist look. Well, y'all know how spring twist look. 2 hair clips and some little charms for your hair. Also, it came with a hand mirror, so that was cute. I actually need to put this in my purse, but so yeah, about this hair. So where do I start? So guys, all right, now it's not as soft as some other spring twist hair that I have seen, but I was able to achieve, I was trying to go for the butterfly, let me see, is it butterfly locks? I think that's what it's called, but I'm not gonna say it was, well, I don't know what it was, but it didn't really turn out how I thought it was gonna turn out. But I think this hair would have done better in like spring twist. If you would have done just regular spring twist with, if I would have done regular spring twist with this hair, then I think it would have turned out pretty good. And the reason I say that is because I did actually do like a passion twist or spring twist with it just to see how it would have done, and it did do pretty good with that. So if you get this hair, I would do spring twist or passion twist. I wouldn't try to do it with locks. It is very affordable on Amazon. It is going for $21.99 for 6 bundles, so that is a great deal. So yeah, that's that about that hair. Okay guys, so I've done most of my hair and it's looking a mess, so I want to show you right now, but I'm going to show you how I actually put this hair in. So I used 2 of those little strands. I unraveled them, put them together and made 1. So this is 1 twist. So we're going to do this plait right there. And I'm just gonna take my crochet hook and stick it under the plait, put the spring twist hair on. Well, y'all know how to crochet, but so this is the part where it gets a little tricky. So what you're gonna do is pull through, but you're only gonna pull 1 part through. Just 1 of the strands through. Okay, so this is what we're looking like here. So the part that you want to hang down, the part you want to hang, you're gonna make it shorter. So I'm pulling over here to make it the length of my other twist. So about just like that, okay? And you can see this other part is like way longer. So what I'm gonna do is grab my braid, put it with the length of the braid. All right, so now I got my braid, my real hair, and one of the strands over here, and I'm always gonna keep a hold on this half. So with this half, I'm going to go forward, start twisting forward. So I'm gonna go just like this. Grab with my other hand, hold down onto the root, twist again, grab around, hold it down, and this so it can get like tight to your root, but not too tight, guys. So twist again, up, make sure you keep your hair with the other hair. Twist again, bring it around. All right, so now our root is really secured. So now we can just start twisting. Now we're gonna twist kind of loosely so it can get the whole like butterfly or distressed look. So we're just gonna twist it, grab it with your thumb and bring it around, okay? Loose like. Grab it with your thumb and bring it around. And it's gonna get easier as you do them. Just keep grabbing it with your thumb and bring it around, just like that. And just do it loose. And it's just gonna flow. And I got this like this because it's just easier for me. So, just like this. And just keep twisting. Twisting down. Now, if you get down here and the hair runs out and you see it's still not long enough, I'm just gonna borrow from this hand. Borrow a little bit from that hand and then just keep twisting. Keep twisting down the length of the hair. Okay, so that looks about right. So now I'm just gonna twist back up the braid or the lock. So twist up, going up. Still holding on to your hair in the other strand, but you're gonna start twisting up. I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying and can see, but I'm twisting up and it's gonna get really thin, but just keep twisting because that's gonna help the lock to actually lock and not come loose. All right, so when you get to the end, you're just gonna rub it between your hands, just like that, and it's gonna stay. Now don't worry about these ends right here because I got something that I'm gonna do to make them look a little bit more presentable. I got something in mind that I think I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish these 4 plaits, and I'm gonna let y'all watch me do it. So, all right guys, I will see you in a minute. how it looks just put up because I don't really like it down. I'll show you guys how it looks down. So yeah, this is how it looks down. It's not horrible, but it just was not, you know, the look I was going for. So I will be redoing these locks, but with different hair. Like I said, this hair would have been perfectly fine in a different style, probably that it was meant for, which was spring twist or passion twist. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and let you see how it looks in the back. And also I did do these in like a kind of a large size. Yeah, these are kind of large, so, but I just want to tell you that. Let me know how you guys like this hair. Thank you for joining me in this video. Once again, I thank you to all of my new subscribers, all of my old subscribers, everybody who comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing my videos. Just thank you guys. And if you would like to purchase this hair, I will have it linked down below. I hope you have a blessed day. Until next time, be blessed.